Hey everyone, there's nothing quite like the thrill of winning, especially when it's free. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the TATA app, a game changer in the world of online rewards. So, what's the TATA app? Imagine this, a platform where you can play a variety of single and multiplayer games, competing with players globally, right from your phone. And the best part? You earn rewards daily, just by playing. Let me break it down for you. Every day, you can check into the app. Just a simple tap, and you're on your way to earning daily bonuses. It's like having a little reward fairy in your pocket. And hey, do you like playing games? Whether you're into puzzles, strategy, or action, TATA has got you covered. Play games, challenge others, and if you climb up that global leaderboard, you snag even more rewards. It's competitive, it's fun, and it's rewarding. Literally. Now let's talk numbers. This app isn't just a hidden gem, it's a treasure chest that's already been discovered by over 500,000 users. And with a stellar rating of 4.7 from over 18,500 reviews, you know it's not just hype. But here's the real kicker. When you invite friends, the rewards get even better. You get a whopping 20% of your friends' earnings for free. I mean, who doesn't love earning while also helping their friends get a piece of the action? So whether you're on a break, commuting, or just chilling at home, why not turn that time into something profitable and fun? With TATA app, every day brings new opportunities to earn. Alright, if this sounds like your kind of adventure, why not give it a try? Download the TATA app, start playing, start earning, and let the games reward you. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips on how you can keep winning every day. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and let the games and rewards begin.